Bright, glowing orbs have been observed falling from the sky. These balls of light, known as ball lightning, have been reported for centuries, yet their origin remains a mystery. The first recorded sighting dates back to ancient China, where it was described as a glowing, floating ball. Despite numerous accounts, the scientific community has struggled to explain this phenomenon. Questions you never thought to ask. The first recorded sighting of ball lightning dates back to ancient China, where it was described as a glowing, floating ball. This phenomenon has been reported throughout history, with accounts from ancient Greece and Rome. The descriptions of ball lightning have remained remarkably consistent, with most reports describing a bright, glowing orb. As trade and cultural exchange increased, reports of ball lightning began to emerge from Europe. The phenomenon was often associated with thunderstorms and was described as a glowing, floating ball. The accounts from Europe were similar to those from ancient China, with most reports describing a bright, glowing orb. Despite the advent of modern technology, reports of ball lightning continue to emerge. The phenomenon remains poorly understood, with most reports describing a bright, glowing orb. The consistency of these reports across time and geography suggests that ball lightning is a real phenomenon, rather than a myth or legend. One theory is that ball lightning is an electromagnetic phenomenon caused by a rare combination of atmospheric conditions. This theory suggests that the glowing orb is a result of a complex interaction between electromagnetic fields and the atmosphere. However, this theory is still highly speculative and requires further research. Another theory is that ball lightning is the result of a chemical reaction, possibly involving the combustion of atmospheric gases. This theory suggests that the glowing orb is a result of a complex chemical reaction, rather than an electromagnetic phenomenon. However, this theory is also highly speculative and requires further research. A more recent theory is that ball lightning is a form of plasma, a high-energy state of matter. This theory suggests that the glowing orb is a result of a complex interaction between plasma and the atmosphere. However, this theory is still in its infancy and requires further research. Scientists have attempted to observe ball lightning in the field using a variety of instruments and techniques. However, the phenomenon is rare and unpredictable, making it difficult to study. Despite these challenges, researchers have made some progress in understanding the properties of ball lightning. Researchers have also attempted to recreate ball lightning in a laboratory, using a variety of techniques and equipment. These experiments have provided some insights into the properties of ball lightning, but the phenomenon remains poorly understood. Further research is needed to fully understand the nature of ball lightning. Theoretical models of ball lightning have been developed, using a variety of mathematical and computational techniques. These models have provided some insights into the behavior of ball lightning, but the phenomenon remains poorly understood. Further research is needed to fully understand the nature of ball lightning. One of the major challenges in understanding ball lightning is the lack of data. The phenomenon is rare and unpredictable, making it difficult to study. As a result, researchers have to rely on anecdotal reports and limited observational data. There are also theoretical debates about the nature of ball lightning. Some researchers argue that it is an electromagnetic phenomenon, while others propose that it is a chemical reaction or a plasma. The lack of data and the complexity of the phenomenon make it difficult to resolve these debates. The public perception of ball lightning is also a challenge. Many people are skeptical about the phenomenon, and some consider it to be a myth or a legend. However, the consistency of reports across time and geography suggests that ball lightning is a real phenomenon, rather than a myth or legend. New technologies, such as advanced sensors and cameras, may provide new insights into the nature of ball lightning. These technologies could allow researchers to collect more data and make more accurate observations. International collaboration and data sharing may also help to advance our understanding of ball lightning. By sharing data and research findings, scientists can work together to develop a more comprehensive understanding of the phenomenon. Theoretical advances, such as new mathematical models and computational simulations, may also help to shed light on the nature of ball lightning. These advances could provide new insights into the behavior of the phenomenon and help to resolve the theoretical debates. The mystery of ball lightning remains one of the most fascinating and poorly understood phenomena in the natural world. Despite centuries of reports and observations, the scientific community has yet to fully understand the nature of this enigmatic phenomenon. Further research is needed to shed light on the behavior and properties of ball lightning and to resolve the theoretical debates that surround it. If this made you see the world a little differently, subscribe. There's a new question every week. Join us next time as we explore the strange and mysterious world of morning glories and uncover the secrets behind their unique and fascinating behavior.